Hey fam! Welcome back to another Rochielin video. And today we're gonna be, I don't know, today, what am I doing today? What am I doing today? I'm in Jamaica, can you believe it? There's so much to do. And one of the things that I've been wanting to do for a very long time is to have some KFC chicken. I missed KFC. Like, I've tried having a KFC in the States, but it's just not the same no matter how much spin it, no matter how we try. Something about the chicken, it's just fatty and gummy, and the spice and the flavor is just not what I'm used to in Jamaica. So now that I'm in Jamaica, I'm trying out a lot of the different foods that I missed, and one of them is a KFC. So I'm about to head to KFC to go get it, and I'm excited. I'm excited for some spicy chicken, a barbecue chicken, original chicken, maybe some wings. I don't know, but I'm excited for it, and I'm looking forward to eating some KFC today. The thing is that it's 2 days before Christmas, so the road is an absolute mess. Everywhere jam up, traffic everywhere, it's just miserable. And if you know anything about KFC in Jamaica, you know that KFC is always miserable. There's always a long line, always long traffic, and it's no different now that it's Christmas. It's even worse. So every KFC that I've driven past so far, the lines are just astronomically long. They're just too long, and that is what has deterred me all these days from going to the KFC. But today we decide that today is gonna be the day that we try to join one of the lines. So Sean went inside. I sent him inside because I'm out here with the baby, and I'm waiting to see how long it's gonna take. Let me tell you, it's 2:24 p.m. right now, and he went in about 3 minutes ago, maybe about 4 minutes ago. So let's say 2:20. He went in at 2:20. So let's see what time he comes back out with the KFC, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna compare to see if it's the same as it was before I left Jamaica, and tell you the difference between the one here and the one I've eaten outside of Jamaica so far. Yeah, I'm excited.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant your man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin. So Sean is back from the KFC. What happened when you went inside? Why are you back and you don't have no KFC bag?
Well, the line is very long and it's barely moving. One of the things in Jamaica is everything is slow and you have to have the time. And we never have the time to stand up in another line there, so we're gonna go and drive through, and maybe it's gonna be just as long, but we not have to stand up.
So we're gonna sit down in another line.
We're gonna sit down in another line.
Oh man, the things they do for little KFC.
For little KFC, you know how much things they do for little KFC?
So we're on the way to the other KFC because the one we were at just now doesn't have a drive-through. That's the one in New Kingston. So we're heading to Halfway Tree, and we're in so much traffic. It's like going in traffic. That is like the commute to get there in bumper to bumper traffic, and then when we get there, it's still gonna be in bumper to bumper traffic. It's like, when I get this KFC until like next 2-3 hours, it seems. It is so annoying. I don't like this wait. Look, let me show you in front of me. So, on the way to the KFC, and the traffic just too much. Too much traffic on the road. KFC line long, the traffic on the road long. Everything is just a mess. It's a disaster. I'm guessing because it's the Christmas rush. So we decided that we're gonna just go to a cook shop, one of them small cook shop, and get like one of them community food. And we're here at one that is highly recommended. I hear that the food tastes really good. And there's still a wait. We're still outside of the shop a wait. Apparently they only have chop and beans ready. And more than half an hour ago they told them that the fried chicken was gonna be ready in 25 minutes. And 25 minutes gone and it's still not ready. So people are here waiting, I'm here waiting, we are all here waiting for the food to be ready. So it's still a wait. Everything is a wait. Everything is a wait. I'm disappointed because I wanted to get the KFC today, but that's not gonna work out. Maybe another day. I'm gonna try again with the KFC. Maybe after the Christmas rush, we'll see how it goes. So the box food it is. But the box food have a wait too. So it's like everywhere you go, everything is a wait. And if you decide to go home for go cook, that's gonna be a wait too. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. Alright, so that's a cook shop, and we're inside the car waiting, and people are right outside of the shop waiting too. Look, we're waiting cars. Look at that. Babe. In other news, do you guys remember who this is? This is Xavier! Xavier! So, finally got some food, and it's not a KFC, but it's some roadside box food. It's fried chicken with rice and peas and turkey neck gravy. I wanted curry gravy, but they don't have any curry, so the turkey neck will do. It was between turkey neck gravy and cow foot gravy. I don't like cow foot, so I'm never bother with the cow foot, but yeah. $800 and the box is stuffed. More stuff than all the box foods that I've had so far, because it's around the same price everywhere, and some people have a lot less food in their boxes. But this one, stuff up. It feels so good to be back in Jamaica. I'm actually in New Kingston to do some businesses with the bank. And if you know anything about doing bank business in Jamaica, you know it's a day activity. And I'm not looking forward to that. I already went in and they gave me a number that I have to wait until it's called. So I get 33 and they're at 23. So there's 10 people in front of me. And I know for sure that's gonna be a long wait. So I came out and I went to get some patties from Tasties. I just ate the patty. So now I'm going back inside the bank to see what number they're at, to see if I stay or leave. After an extremely long wait, a long process, I'm finally done at Scotiabank. Guys, I want to tell you about my experience.
Rochielin traveling the four corner, Rochielin vlogging on a border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin.